Gotta wake up anyway. This is your alarm. Wow, every one of them went off. Hell yeah.
Now for the official message for single service for ECs for Southwest New Hampshire and North Central Maine. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s.
Which ones are on?
Light and variable winds. Tonight, mostly clear. Low 7 to 15 above. Light and variable winds. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the low 30s. Light and variable winds. Thursday night, mostly.
Oh no, this one missed it.
Lows around 13. Light and variable winds. Friday.
That was freaking loud.
Highs in the mid-30s. Light and variable winds.
Alright, I'll count that. That
Friday
went off.
night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Highs in the upper 30s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday.
There, now I can hear the other ones that are on.
Noon.
Alright, grand finale. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Only one missed it, and it was my newest Midland. At least 120. Alright. And a little sneak peek of next year. I do not have this set up yet, because it was a surprise Christmas gift from my mother. That's all you get. Goodbye.